Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is chemical bond. Okay, so now today in this lesson we will talking about the very important topic in chemistry, that is chemical bond. Okay, so what is a chemical bond means? The attractive forces which holds any two constituents of atom or a ions together is called as a chemical bond. Okay, so the attractive forces which holds any two constituents of atom or a ions together is called as a chemical bond. For example, so for example, we will take one hydrogen molecule. Okay, so this is a hydrogen molecule. One hydrogen atom is bonded to the another hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom is bonded to the another hydrogen atom in the presence of electrostatic forces of attraction. Okay, so another one, this is two similar atoms. And one more thing, we will take one more example, that is CH4 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. So actually this is a molecule. Okay, in this molecule atoms only combined, that similar atoms, otherwise dissimilar atoms. Okay, a bond can be found between a bond can be found between two similar atoms, or a bond can be found between two dissimilar atoms. Carbon is a different atom and hydrogen is a different atom. No, a bond can be found between two dissimilar atoms, whatever it may be. Okay, are you able to understand? Actually, a bond is a force. A bond is a force which binds two atoms. Two atom is two similar atoms, otherwise two dissimilar atoms. A bond is a force which binds two atoms, more than two atoms, together in a molecule. So this is a molecule, this is a one molecule, this is a hydrogen molecule, this is a methane molecule. No, so together in a molecule, that molecule in a stable configuration. We will talk about the octet rule. In that we will discuss about the stable configuration. Okay, so in between hydrogen and hydrogen, similar atoms in between of carbon and hydrogen, what will occur means electrostatic forces. Okay, electrostatic forces which binds two atoms in order to acquire the stability. Okay, in order to acquire the stability. Okay, apart from this, in this chemical bond, so okay, in this chemical bonding chapter we will go with the index. Okay, we will go with the index, so it is easy for me as well as you two students. When I go with the chemical bonding chapter, basically it is divided into approaches, and I can say like a theories. How many approaches and theories are there here means when I speak about theories in your syllabus, first one is a Cossel and Lewis theory. Cossel Lewis theory. Cossel and Lewis theory. Apart from this Cossel and Lewis theory, we are going to study with a molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory. Also we can call MOT theory. Okay, MOT theory, molecular orbital theory. Okay, then we will study about VBT also. VBT, you will be studying the VBT. What is the meaning of VBT? Means valency bond theory. Valency bond theory. So apart from this Cossel molecular VBT theory, After that, Vesper theory. VSEPR theory. So valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. So this is the full form is valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, apart from this, when I come back with the concept means, so theories like basically it is divided into approaches theories. Next one, concepts. When I come back with the concepts of chemical bonding, you have a concept of hydrogen bonding, H2 bonding. H2 bonding, you will be study about the types of in this H2 bonding. You will be study about the types of H2 bonding. You will be study about the what is the factors affecting the H2 bonding. You also be learn about the how hydrogen bond is forming or how hydrogen bond is forming. All of these things are you will learn in this H2 bonding only. You will also be learning the concept of hybridization. Hybridization is one of the most important topic in this chemical bond. Okay, let me write hybridization. In this hybridization you will learn about sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. Next one, sp2 d2, next sp2 d3. So sp2 sp3 sp2 d2 sp2 d3. Apart from this hybridization, you will also have in your syllabus like a formal charge. Okay, formal charge also very important topic. Formal charge. There is also concept called as a one more concept is called as a this is the fourth one actually, Lewis dot structures. Lewis dot structures. These are the basic concepts you will be covered in this chapter. Most important topics. Apart from these topics, in your NCERT also gives you the information about the types of bonding. So types, we will discuss about the types now. Types, how many types are there? So in this whole chapter, let us summarize this concept, approaches, concepts, types also there. So that one is ionic bond. So next one is a covalent bond. So next one is a coordinate. Covalent bond. Okay, I divided into, actually basically in chemical bonding I divided into 3 columns like a index, approaches, concept and types. Approaches, Costello-Lewis theory, molecular orbital theory, VBT, whisper theory, and concepts is a hydrogen bonding, hybridization, formal charge, Lewis dot structures, and types of bonds also ionic bond. This is a electron transferring bonds. We will discuss in this video lesson. And covalent bond, coordinate bond is a sharing of electrons. We will discuss about in these two in a topic wise. So actually in this chemical bond chapter, in this total chemical bond chapter, in this chemical bond chapter, my main target is to cover all concept very easily. Okay, it is not basically complete the total syllabus. First of all, understanding the concept is most important. Okay, once you understand all this concept, you will able to solve all problems all related to this chemical bonding chapter problem. So first of all, you have to understand the concepts of all this theory. We will meet you again with the next theories in these theories of chemical bonding. Next video I will upload to you these all things. Okay, thank you.